So, yes, there are different ways of communicating: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Some people have a preference over one or the other. And it is important to note that while sign languages are often described as visual spatial languages, it is important to recognize that deaf, blind individuals still may access sign language through tactile and kinesthetic means, such as tactile signing, and it includes protactile, which we will learn about later. Language access can occur through different sensory modalities depending on the individual. So while we may be used to using our ears to receive language, it can also be done using our eyes. Vocabulary number 4, alphabet letters. Alphabet is A, B, C, and then finger spelling. A, B, C, spell. Alphabet. Alphabet. Letter comes from the sign to mail a letter, a postage stamp, and then we just kind of changed it to be licking and then sticking it on the back of your thumb. So, mail postage letter, alphabet letter. You can use the back of your thumb or the front of your thumb, letter. And then characters. You can see his are coming down in the image, mine comes across. Characters or kanji. Used for any kind of symbol, but Chinese characters, other languages that don't have alphabets. The alphabet is not printed in your notes again, so if you still feel you need to refresh and review and practice, you can go back to your Unit 1.0 notes and find that in there. But while we have you here, let's go through the alphabet again, and if you are in a position to do so, please sign along with me. If it's open, that's okay too. And the next video will be snapshot number 4, letters, characters, and handshake.